In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow a friend on Reddit. Maybe your feed is getting a bit cluttered, or you just want to see fewer updates from a particular person. Whatever your reason, the process of unfollowing someone on Reddit is very simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account, either in your web browser or in the Reddit mobile app. The basic idea is the same on both, so don't worry about which one you're using. To start, you'll need to go to the profile of the person you want to unfollow. If you see their username in your feed, in your messages, or in a comment thread, you can click or tap directly on their username. That will take you straight to their profile page. If you don't see them right away, you can also use the search bar. Type in their username, select it from the results, and open their profile. Once their profile page opens, take a moment to confirm that you're looking at the right account. Check the username carefully so you don't accidentally unfollow the wrong person. On their profile, you should see a button that indicates that you're currently following them. This might simply say "following." What you want to do now is click or tap on that button. When you do, it will change to show that you are no longer following this person. That's it. You've successfully unfollowed them. After you unfollow, you should start seeing fewer of their posts and comments recommended to you or appearing in areas influenced by your follows. If you ever change your mind later, you can return to their profile and follow them again by clicking the same button. Keep in mind that unfollowing someone on Reddit does not block them. They can still see your public posts and comments, and you can still see theirs if you visit their profile or encounter them in a subreddit. Unfollowing simply tells Reddit that you don't want their activity highlighted for you. To recap in simple terms, open their profile, then click unfollow. It only takes a moment, and you stay in full control of whose content shows up more often in your experience. That's all there is to it. Now you know exactly how to unfollow a friend on Reddit when